Hello, Class 9. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of Kingdom Fungi. What's the deal with fungi? They are not plants, not animals. So, what are they? Fungi are eukaryotic organisms that get their nutrition by decomposing organic matter or by forming symbiotic relationships. The key features of fungi include they are eukaryotic cells with cell walls made of chitin. They have heterotrophic mode of nutrition. They reproduce via spores. They are non-vascular and non-motile. They may be unicellular or filamentous. The mode of reproduction is sexual or asexual. Common examples of fungi include mushrooms, yeast, bread molds, etc. Now, let's have a look at classification of fungi. On the basis of mode of nutrition, fungi is classified into three groups. These three groups are saprophytic, parasitic, and symbiotic. Saprophytic fungi obtain their nutrition by feeding on dead organic matter such as rhizopus, penicillium, etc. Parasitic fungi survive on other living organisms. They absorb nutrients from their host. Examples include Puccinia. Symbiotic fungi live by having an interdependent relationship with other species in which both the species are mutually benefited. Most common example of symbiotic fungi is lichen. Other example also includes mycorrhiza. Now, on the basis of spore formation, fungi is divided into four groups. These four groups are zygomycetes, ascomycetes, basidiomycetes, and deuteromycetes. Starting with zygomycetes, they are aseptate fungi formed by fusion of two different cells. The sexual spores formed are known as zygospores, while asexual spores are called sporangiospores. Ascomycetes, also known as sac fungi, can be coprophilous, decomposers, parasitic, or saprophytic. Ascospores are the sexual spores and conidiospores are the asexual spores. Basidiomycetes. Mushrooms are most commonly found basidiomycetes. They mostly live as parasites. Sexual reproduction occurs by basidiospores. Asexual reproduction takes place by conidia, budding, or fragmentation. Deuteromycetes. They are otherwise called imperfect fungi because they do not follow the regular reproduction cycle as other fungi. They do not reproduce sexually. Asexual reproduction occurs by conidia. Now, let's have a look at the uses of fungi. They play a major role in recycling the dead and decayed matter. Some mushroom species are edible and are used by humans as food. There are many fungi that are used in medicines. Some are used to produce antibiotics and used to treat human and plant diseases. Fungi are used as biocontrol agents. They are responsible for exploiting worms and insects and help in controlling pests. Fungal spores are used as spray in crops. Here are some fungi that are useful in our lives. Penicillin, a fungus that gives us a life-saving antibiotic. Mushrooms, that are edible and nutritious in nature. Yeast, used in baking bread and making wine. Aspergillus, helps make citric acid that are used in food and cosmetics. Some fungi are also harmful, causing diseases in plants, animals, or humans. And that brings us to the end of our exploration of kingdom fungi. We have seen how fungi thrive in diverse environments, playing crucial roles as decomposers, symbionts, or sometimes as pathogens. Their unique modes of reproduction, both sexual and asexual, help them spread and adapt. Fungi are more than just organisms in the wild. They are behind the antibiotics that save lives, the flavors in our food, and the decomposition process that makes our ecosystem healthy. They are tiny but mighty. That's it for this video. Hope you find it informative and engaging. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.